Hi guys, today we will teach you how to make Lengua de Gato. Lengua de Gato is Filipino butter cookies. Lengua de Gato is Spanish for cat's tongues. These slim, yet decadent, buttery treats are shaped nearly like a cat's tongue. They are very thin and crunchy but melt in your mouth. They are made from butter, egg whites, vanilla, sugar and flour. Yes, only 5 ingredients and they are super easy to make. Perfect for snacking. Ingredients: 112 grams butter, softened, 50 grams granulated sugar, 2 egg whites, 70 grams in weight, 1 teaspoon vanilla optional, 90 grams all-purpose flour. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a whisk or hand mixer, cream the butter. Gradually add sugar and continue beating until light and fluffy. Add egg whites and vanilla. Beat until fully incorporated. Gradually add the flour. Beat on low speed until well combined. Transfer to a piping bag with a round piping tip. You can also use a zip bag with one corner or tip trimmed to make a hole. Prepare a tray lined with parchment paper. Pipe the batter about 2 inches long with a space in between cookies. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until cookies are dry and sides start to brown slightly. Remove from the oven and transfer the cookies on a wire rack to cool completely. Store in an airtight container to preserve the crunchiness. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.